Hey folks, Chris here with MPC Remote Starts. Today I'm going to show you how to take this remote car starter and install it into this 2020 Ford Expedition. Let's get started. Okay, right here at the factory OBD2 connector, directly behind it is the gateway connector. So what you do is push in on the tab and you'll unplug the gateway connector like so. Then you take the female connector of the T-harness, you'll plug it into the gateway, snap that into place. Then we take our male connector from the T-harness and we're going to plug it into the back of the gateway. There we go. Now we're ready to do our programming. Okay, now we're ready to program the module. To do so, we're going to press and hold down the program button. While holding down the program button, plug in the black 4-pin connector. The lights will start to alternate. You want to let go when you see a solid single blue light. There we go. Plug in the rest of the connectors, and for this kit, it's only one connector, the white 5-pin. Okay, now we're going to turn the ignition key to the on position, pressing the button one time. Blue light will go off. We're waiting for it to come back on flashing. There we go. Now turn the ignition key to the off position. The light's going to go out. We got to count to 5s. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000. Turn the key back on. We'll get a yellow light. Make sure it's all clean and clear, which it is. Then go ahead and turn it off. Programming is complete. Okay, now that everything's been programmed and set up, we're going to do a real quick test start. So it's lock, unlock, lock. To activate the module, the remote start will come on shortly. Good, everything's started up, we're good to go. Okay, to remote start this vehicle, it is a lock, unlock, lock. You notice the remote start will engage and then start the vehicle. Okay, to do a takeover, we're going to go ahead and press the unlock button. We'll open the door to enter the vehicle. Okay, we'll go ahead and close the door, step on the brake pedal, and press the push to start button. The remote start's disengaged. We're now ready to put the vehicle in gear and drive away.